Hey, I'm Muskan. Your RAG app gave a wrong answer. Was it the retrieval or the generation? You can't fix what you don't measure, and RAG has 2 stages to measure. Here are the 4 numbers that tell you where it broke. Start with the shape. A question goes in. First, retrieval finds the chunks it thinks are relevant. Then generation writes an answer from those chunks. 2 stages, 2 failure points, so you grade them separately. Grade retrieval with 2 numbers. Recall, of all the relevant chunks, how many did you actually retrieve? Miss some, and the answer can't be complete. Precision, of the chunks you retrieved, how many were relevant? Pull in junk, you distract the model. Both need a labeled set of right answers. Then grade generation. Answer relevance. Does the answer actually address the question? Faithfulness. Is every claim backed by the retrieved context, or did the model invent it? These are usually scored by a second model, an LLM acting as judge. Here's the payoff. The number that drops tells you where to look. Low recall or precision, the context is wrong. Fix the chunking, the embeddings, or how many you pull. Low relevance or faithfulness, the context was fine, but the answer isn't. Fix the prompt or the model. Your turn. Run all 4 on your own RAG before you touch anything. Measure retrieval and generations separately, then let the low number point you at the fix. Guessing which half is broken is how you spend a week fixing the wrong stage. Where RAG breaks. More explainers soon. Humanitarians AI.